So now I want you to think in terms of perfect squares. 2 squared equals 4. Or the square root of 4 equals 2. 3 squared equals 9, or the square root of 9 equals 3. Okay? Now, in terms of 12, I want to think what numbers go into 12 that are perfect squares? 4, right? So I could switch this into the square root of 4. And what 4 goes into 12 how many times? 3. Now I'm able to do this, and I'll write it out so you can see it, is because 12 is equal to 4 times 3. 12 is also equal to 6 times 2. But can I simplify the square root of 6 and the square root of 2? Not really. So I'm picking this because I have this. I could take the square root of 4. Does that make sense? Okay. So now what's the square root of 4? 2 square root of 3. Now, just real quick on the calculator, if I wanted to verify that, what I would do is I would just say the square root of 12, hit enter, and I'll get this decimal. Or I could say 2 times the square root of, what was it, 3. Guess what? Same exact answer. Does that make sense? This is the simplified version. Okay? Here's what we're ramping up to.